Imagine waking inside a 15th century Bruges fairytale mansion. Canal waters whisper outside your window, Dijver views UNESCO charm. No long commutes. Step outside and you're already in history. Rooms fuse old world character with quiet modern luxury and calm. King-size beds, refined furnishings, designed for deep restorative rest. Breakfast buffet feels like a gentle Bruges morning ritual. Sweet, savory, lighter choices, served beneath elegant historic ceilings. Restaurant Memoir brings Michelin star creativity to every seasonal plate. Wind down by the fireplace with a perfect glass. Free Wi-Fi, private parking by reservation, travel made effortless. Family rooms, room service, terrace and elevator, thoughtful conveniences included. Step outside and every corner becomes a postcard moment, perfect for couples, celebrations, or simply refined city explorers. Dates fill quickly. Reserve your canal-side stay today via link. De Tuilerieën, historic elegance, modern comfort. Bruges at your doorstep.